Mommy. Double so much, double so much.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. My name is Chelan and this is Fembam and One. For today's video, I will be showing another Halloween special, and this is gonna be a Halloween mummy balloon. So as you can see on this side right here, we have quads right here. This is 5 inches and we inflate this to 3 inches or 7.62 centimeter using our balloon sizer. So this is 5 inches. I will show you guys how to make this one. So you inflate this one. So you need 2 of this 5 inches balloon. And then you pinch it here. Just like that. Hold it on the side. Pinch another one. So you make this into a quad. Just like that. So this is the one. So this is gonna be for our mummy. Here is 28 quads for both legs. So for if you're talking for just one leg, is 14 quads per leg. Okay. Now we'll talk about the arms. So with the arms is the same. We have 5 inches balloons and inflate this to 2 inches or 5.08 centimeter. And again, put this together, just like that, and there goes your quad. So 13 quads per arm, and again, in total of 26 quads for both arms. Alright guys, so we're ready to put this together, so we'll start with the leg. So this one right here, we use our balloon stand right here. So right there you attach, and then this one too. Just push them together like that. So you want it in between like that. Okay. There you go guys, this is one of our legs, so we'll put this on the side. Alright guys, so we're ready to make the other leg, and again we have to use the other 14. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our fishing line, 20 pounds of fishing line. Make a tie right here, tie on the first one. And then after you tie that one, you put this on top. Okay, so just connect them all together. Just like that, and put this on top of each other. And you want to make like a shape of a number 8 or figure 8. And just be careful not to slice your balloon with the... You can either use fishing line or balloon string. There you go guys, there's the other leg right here. So I'm gonna leave this hanging. Got it like that, so you have extra string or fishing line hanging. Okay, so these are our legs right here, and then arms, you do the same thing just like what I did on the leg, but then the smaller one. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the arm. So the other one is already pre-made, so I'm gonna show you the other arm. So as I said, it's the same thing as how how you made the leg. Okay, so tie a string right here or your fishing line to the first one, and then just continue the same thing, just like what I did on the leg, the other leg. So there goes your arm right here. Alright guys, so this time we will inflate the body of our mummy. So we have 5 inches right here, we need 8 of this. We'll inflate this to 4.5 or 11.43 centimeter using our balloon sizer. And also we have our 11 inches right here, and we will inflate this 11 inches white balloon to 6 inches or 15.24 centimeter. So again, we will use our fishing line. So attach your fishing line to your balloon right here. A smaller balloon, and then your bigger balloon on top. So the same thing, you want to shape like a figure 8 like that. We'll grab our leg. So the leg here with the stand, okay? And then we'll put this on here. So we'll just have to connect. See the string right here or the fishing line? You put it on here, connect it to your... So I'll attach this here, making it nice and set properly. So be careful not to pop your balloon. Just like that. I'll attach it here securely. Then I'll go back to the top. And then secure your balloon right here with that balloon string. And there goes your balloon. Alright guys, so I lowered this one, so now we're ready to attach the other leg. So here's our body right here, so all we need to do is turn this a little on the side, and then we will attach the leg right here. So we'll attach the leg right on there using the extra fishing line. So you put it right there using your balloon fishing line right there. Give it a little tag and then attach. I'll put it here so it gives extra support. Okay, so there's your leg right here. So I'll give it like a little raise it up a little, like that thing is walking. There goes the body, and now we will attach our arms right here. Again, using our string right there. And then the other one right here. So far, looking good. So I'll adjust this one because it's kind of loose, so I'll make it a little tighter. Alright guys, so looking good right now. So we have another 11 inches right here. We will inflate this to 9 inches. And then this is going to be the head, guys. Right there. So this one right here, we will use this. If you want to know how I made this one, we have a different video tutorial, step-by-step detailed tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check it out. And we do this so our video is not going to be that long. So we'll put our head right here, right in the center, right there. Okay, so see the end right here of your balloon. You stick it right in the center of your mummy right here, and then so grab one of the end of your balloon right here. I don't know if you can see, and then tie your other balloon. Tie it right there. We use a lot of this. All you need to do is just wrap around here. That's your mummy. So we'll add some more here. Use one here for the body right here. And guys, I'm gonna use balloon glue dots right here to attach this lip. So that will stay in place right there. here it is. So the last thing we're gonna do is the eyes right here. So we have another 5 inches balloon right here, 2 of them. So inflate them just a little, and we'll put this right there. This is gonna be our eyes. There you go, about the same size, and then we'll cut the tip right here. And we'll use balloon glue dots. And then we'll use our marker right here. There you go, guys. It's finally done. I hope you liked this video and learned something from this channel. There's our balloon mummy. It's creepy and scary. Look at those eyes. You can add this as your decoration in front of your yard or front lawn. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.